Hey guys, so today's tutorial is going to be on this look. If you want to know how I did it, keep on watching and stay tuned. I'm taking the Morphe concealer, and this is in the shade C2.65, and I'm going to prime my eyes with this. Okay. And using my finger, I'm just going to blend it out. Okay, going into the Huda Beauty palette, I'm going to go ahead and use Musk, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade. And then whatever is left on the brush, I'm going to go ahead and just blend this up. To warm up this transition color, I'm going to go into my MAC Dark Deepest Mineralized Skin Finish, and this is what the shade looks like. Okay. Going back into the Huda palette, I'm going to take the color Oud, and I'm going in with the Morphe R43, and I'm going to put this right into my eye socket. And we're going to bring this color up. Before you blend, you're going to want to make sure both your eyes are pretty symmetrical. And I'm going to go in with this Morphe R41 brush. Looks like this. And now I'm just going to blend out the edges. Going back into my MAC shade, I'm going to go ahead and blend out some more. Now just going back in with that Oud color, I'm going to replace any color that we've lost. Now I'm taking a fluffier brush, and I'm gonna go into Desert Sand, and I'm gonna use this under my brow bone. And then whatever's left on the brush, just go ahead and blend. Now going in with the small angled brush and back with my Morphe concealer, I'm going to create a cut crease. Now I'm going to go into the shade Desert Sand, and I'm going to be using a flat brush, and I'm just going to pack this all over my lids. Taking my Milani matte lipstick and just a small detailing brush, I'm going to line my eyes. I'm taking BeautyBarBaby's Multi-Chrome Flakes. I'm also going to take NYX Glitter Glue. I'm going to apply this to my eyes. Here is a closer look at the Multi-Chrome Flakes. Very pretty. I'm going to go in with my finger and dab this where I put the glitter glue. I'm going to go in with that flat brush and apply this I'm just taking a baby wipe. I'm just gonna wipe away any glitter. Going in with some liquid liner. I'm gonna use this one from L'Oreal. And I'm just gonna put this really close to my lash line. So I'm going back in with the second layer of the Milani lip cream. Okay guys, I end up going back in with Ophelia, the multi-chrome flake from BeautyBarBaby. And I end up putting this in my inner corner just to kind of brighten and give a little bit more dimension. And I'm gonna do my face and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so here's my foundation and everything else already lit the heck up. So I'm just gonna go in with the Sephora Nude Mist, and just with my beauty blender I'm gonna go ahead and spray some here. Let's see, I'm gonna put this, tap this on my face. Okay, now to finish off the eyes, going back into the Huda Beauty palette, I'm gonna go in with, let's see, I'm gonna go in with Eden. I'm just gonna put this under my eye. Okay, I'm just gonna pack that on. This is such a pretty color. So for mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Falsies Flash Lift. Okay, and then I'm also gonna do my bottom lash. I'm going to apply some lashes. These are the Koko Stella lashes, and I will be right back. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look, and for my lips I used Honeymoon from Morphe and the Charlotte Tilbury in Pillow Talk. If you guys liked my video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe so you guys don't miss out on my next video.